Hey guys, Brad Kemp from Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about single stage pumps and two stage pumps that you'll find on a lot of air compressors. As a buyer of an air compressor, you want to buy the proper pump that's going to meet your needs. And I kind of want to tell you the difference between a single stage and a two stage pump. So basically think about a single stage pump just pumps one time and a two stage pump pumps twice. And what that allows you to do is how quick it can be used for continuous work. If you have a two-stage pump, because it's pumping two times, it's going to be more continuous for you to have longer run times than, say, a single-stage pump, which is better for some of your smaller tools. A single-stage pump basically has PSI ratings around 120 to 135 max. So they're going to be more used on a lot of your smaller size compressors. Could be like on your pancakes or maybe your 30-gallon units. When you get into the bigger pumps like this one, you're going to be dealing with bigger tank sizes, bigger horsepower, and they're going to get a PSI rating about 175 PSI. They're going to run more efficiently. They're going to run cooler overall. They're going to be built for continuous use, meaning that certain air tools that are sucking up a lot of air that would normally on a smaller compressor that's single phase will be, constantly the machine's turning on because it can't keep up. These are designed to keep up with the tool. And this is what you're looking for. You want a two-stage pump so you can continuously do that kind of work. Operations such as a laser cleaner, plasma cutter if you're running a CNC unit, sandblaster, air file, DA sander, things that really suck a lot of air. You definitely want to get something that's two-stage. You can keep up with the CFM that's needed to run those tools. So the bottom line is that's the key of the two-stage compressor. It's designed to keep up, and that is very, very important. So that's really the basics that you need to understand about pumps. That there's a single stage for the smaller operator, and the two-stage is designed for somebody that's going to have tools for continuous work. And that's it. So we've had other videos I made. I talked about the CFM and how important that was. We talked about the tank size. We talked about horsepower. So watch those videos as well to get yourself a good understanding of the total package, because all this comes in play when you're out shopping for an air compressor. And of course, you want to get the best compressor for the best price. And that's, again, part of the game of shopping around trying to buy the right compressor, because they can be priced all over the board, and you want to get the best one for your money. But remember, CFM is the number one thing you need to pay attention to, because that is how you're going to get the best bang for your dollar, probably. It's most important. So until then, if you have any questions, drop me a line, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.